Hello everyone, welcome to e-learning of IT for 12th standard. This video is for 12th standard commerce students. We are discussing 5th chapter from syllabus, that is database concepts using LibreOffice Base. In last lectures we have seen how to create a form using Wizard. So today we will discuss about to generate a report using Wizard. So as like a table, query, form, report is one of the object of database. The presentation of information in organized, readable format as per the user requirement is known as a report. That is, our data is contained in a table. We can interact with that data by using a form layout, and we can retrieve the data from the table using the queries. So we can generate the data in, we can organize that data in some prescribed readable format using the report. So various complex reports can be generated that can help in taking decisions by the management. So we can take a report in a printout format. So report is representation of data in a printed form. For example, if suppose there is a school management database and you are maintaining the all students record, then you can generate the report of particular students having marks greater than 75, less than 50, or we can generate a report of their attendance. So we can have a data in a organized and readable format as per the requirement. So that is about a report. So to create a report we have to follow some steps. So see here, certain number of steps are there. First of all, open a database and from the left pane click on reports object. Okay, so first of all let us open a database. So to open a database, first of all open a LibreOffice application, and from that open your database. Our database is a student database that we have created. Then from this left pane click on the reports option, and then you click on use wizard to create a report. Here check the steps. From right pane click on use wizard to create a report. And now we have to select the table and the fields from the table to available fields to the fields that we want on a form, and after selecting the fields click on the next button. So here you can see two tables are there, student table is there and marks table is there. So suppose we have selected a student table, then select the fields from this table that we want in a report. Okay, so we have to click on this arrow. After that, after selecting all the fields, click on the next button. After that, here labeling field option is available, that is, see here, labels for the fields can be changed with the new labels to display the report, and click on the next button. That is, if you want to have a different label for these particular fields, you can specify here. For example, suppose roll number, name, city, mobile number, marks. This is not compulsory to change the labels of the fields, but if you want, so you can do from here. Okay, after specifying all the labels, click on the next button. Then you can specify a grouping for the fields. Grouping can be on anything. Suppose we specify a grouping on marks, then click on the next button. Here grouping sorting is based on the marks. After that, here you have to choose a layout, any kind of layout you can choose. Okay, then click on next button. Here you have to give a title of this report. Suppose a title is student report, then click on finish button. So our report is created now. So this is a report, and you can see here records have been arranged in ascending order of marks. First of all 86 marks, then 89, 93, and then 95. So in this way we can specify a sorting for our record. So this is a report and we can take a printout of this from here. Okay, so report is a data available in organized form, of which you can take a printout also. Here check the steps that we have followed. See here, select a field to sort the data. So we had selected marks field. Then we have choose a columnar layout. Then specify title for report. Our title is student report, and then your report will get created, and to close it we have to click on the close report button. Okay, so in this way we can create a reports. So to close this, click here. Again, if you want to create another report, same, you have to select the fields. Suppose student table is there, from that select the fields, click on next button, then specify here labels. City, mobile, number, and marks. Then again click on next button. Then here you can select the field for grouping purpose. Suppose a grouping should be from on the basis of roll number. Select it, click on next button. Here you can specify sorting should be ascending or descending. Click on next button again. Now I am choosing tabular format. Here type a name. Student report 1. Specify a title. Then click on finish button, and here your report will get created. Now the reports are displayed with sorting based on roll number 101, 102, 3, 4 and 5. So this is the report of students. You can take a printout of it from here. To close this, you can click here to close this report. So here two reports have been created. In this way you can create a reports using Wizard in a LibreOffice base. So follow these steps, note down all these steps, note down what is a report, then all steps to create a report using Wizard, and after creating a report you will get a layout as like this. This is a report generated in LibreOffice base. So note down all steps and follow those steps and generate the different reports. Thank you.